Hello friends, this is Shalu. Welcome to CPP Flix YouTube channel. I'm starting a new series on C++ 17 features. In today's video, I'm going to explain about an std invoke method which is part of the C++ 17 features. Std invoke method can be used to call function pointers, and member pointers with a uniform syntax. It's actually a template function that can help you to seamlessly invoke callable object, both built-in and user-defined. Let's see what is the syntax. It's defined in the header functional, so don't forget to include functional in your code before you start using std invoke. So this is the syntax of invoke method. As I told, it's a template function. It will take two parameters. The first parameter is a callable object. The callable object can be functions, pointers to member function, pointers to data object. The second parameter is an parameter pack. So it can take any number and any type of the parameters. The second parameter is used to pass the actual parameters to the callable object. If it is a function, we can pass the parameters of the function through this argument. For you, an example of how to use invoke method to call functions. I'll show you it for all types of function like global function, member function, static functions. So here I have defined a global function do something. It will take one integer parameter and return I plus 5. And I have defined a class or struct with two member function do something one, it will take only one parameter, and something two, it will take two parameter. And also I had defined a static function which will take only one parameter. So all this function like this, right? Do something, calling the global function. For calling the member function, first we need to create an object. So I have defined an s1 object of struct st, and I am calling it using that object. Do something one, do something two. And for calling the static function, we will use the class name. Let's see how we can use the std invoke method to call all this function in a uniform syntax. So for calling the global function, first I need to pass the address of the callable object. Callable object here, it is a function, so I have to pass it like this: address of the function, then the parameter to the function. That global function will take only one parameter, so I am passing one parameter to it. Then for calling the member function, I need to pass an object of that class. So first I need to give the address of the function, then I have to pass the object, then I need to pass the parameter. Here do something one will take only one parameter, so I'm passing only one parameter. And for calling the second member function, I need to pass two parameters, so I'm passing two parameters. This is the difference between the global function and member function. In the case of member function, we need to pass the object. For calling the static function, since the static function doesn't belongs to any object, we just need to pass the address of the function and the parameter to the function. Let's see the result. Results are same when we invoke the function using the conventional method and also using the std invoke method. But std invoke provides a uniform syntax. That's all about std invoke. Thank you. Bye.